Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how you can hide your birthday month and year from your Facebook account. So if you think that you don't want to show your birthday year month or day, so you can change it easily. It is so simple. Please, I have request to you, please subscribe to this channel, and if you face any problem, let me know. I'll show you the guide in the next video. Okay, so let's begin the tutorial. So how can you do this? Just follow my step, then you will learn after watching a whole tutorial. Okay, so click the Facebook apps, click on it. Okay, after getting this interface, we need to go this side, right side. You can see the three line. Okay, just click on the side, and here you can see the see your profile option, the first upper portion. So this is the option. We have to click here and scroll down a little bit, then you can find the option. So here is the option, see your about info, right? So click on it. Okay, then scroll down a little bit, then we can find the option where you can change our settings. So here you can see basic info. So the right side, we are seeing this edit option. Okay, so click edit, and finally we got our option where you can change our settings. So first, this two option, day and month, it change according to your changing setting. Okay, so audience is friends of friends or others. So click on it, friends of friends. Then the bottom side, the pop-up menu shows us that is showing us there is a four option. Public, that means everyone can see your birthday. Friend of friends, so your mutual friend can see your birthday. Friends, that means you just your friend can see, and only me. So if you choose only me, then no one can able to see your birthday. So click only me. Okay, so it applied only for your day and month. So if you want to change your birth year, then you can change it easily. The same process, the all things are same. Just click only, then all things are correct. Okay, so after doing all this thing, here we can see the right top side. Here you can see the save option. Click on this. Okay, all things are correct, so no one can able to your birthday month or years. So it is totally hidden now. So if you I am requesting to you friend, if you like this video, please give the like and subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching this.